Take a close look at a dollar bill. You likely know its exact weight and the specific texture of its woven paper. It is an object so familiar that we rarely consider the machinery required to keep it in our hands. Every year, the U.S. Federal Reserve prints 7 billion new bills and destroys 5 billion damaged ones. To understand the planetary toll of that cycle, we have to trace the life of a single note in reverse, pulling it back from the day it is destroyed all the way to the moment it was created. When you multiply that life cycle by billions, you expose a systemic footprint that exists behind every transaction. From cotton field to incinerator, a single $1 bill costs $2.20 in environmental impact, twice its own value. That impact begins in the field. Sourcing the specific blend of cotton and linen required for currency paper consumes vast tracts of land and immense volumes of water long before a single note is printed. Those harvests are then processed through industrial printing facilities, requiring specialized inks and heavy machinery to turn raw materials into physical currency. Yet, despite the scale of these farms and factories, physical production accounts for just 13% of the currency's total environmental footprint. If creating the currency is a mere fraction of the problem, the environmental weight of our financial infrastructure must lie elsewhere. 72% of paper money's carbon footprint does not come from making it, it comes from moving it. This figure comes from a 2023 life cycle assessment by the European Central Bank, which mapped the total energy cost of maintaining a cash-based economy. We know what it costs to make money, we almost never see what it costs to move it. This chart shows the total impact. While production sets at 13% and disposal at 15%, the overwhelming majority, 72%, is generated by distribution alone. Physical money is uniquely inefficient because its utility depends on constant, energy-intensive movement between vaults, banks, and pockets. Inside that distribution wedge, two primary factors drive the footprint. First, the daily physical relocation of cash accounts for 35% of the total impact. This represents the fossil fuel consumption of armored vehicle fleets, which spend their life cycles hauling heavy pallets of paper through city streets. The second major drain comes from the 3.2 million global ATMs required to keep that cash accessible to the public. Each of these machines remains powered and climate-controlled 24 hours a day, consuming approximately 1,800 kilowatt-hours of electricity every year. Moving paper costs more than making it. This is the fundamental structural reality of the legacy financial system. Eventually, paper money becomes too soiled or damaged to circulate. Managing this final stage creates the remaining 15% of its footprint. When bills are pulled from circulation, they are shredded and destroyed through incineration. This cycle of destruction repeats billions of times a year, requiring a constant harvest of new resources to replace the paper we have burned. Maintaining a system that relies on physical transport and high-friction logistics is increasingly incompatible with planetary needs. Replacing this physical waste requires a new foundation, a digital infrastructure, identity-based, quantum-resistant, and Swiss-based, allows us to substitute physical logistics with frictionless verification. We have the tools to build a borderless system designed for the citizens of Earth. We have seen what the system costs the planet. Next, who pays the highest price, and why are 1.3 billion people still invisible inside it?